According to the World Health Organization, over 280 million people suffer from depression globally, and more than 1 in 3 adults report symptoms of anxiety. The modern world is moving faster than ever, and in the chaos, more and more people are losing their inner peace. Yet while pharmaceutical solutions rise, there's a quieter, older remedy making a scientific comeback: meditation. What was once dismissed as religious mysticism is now being studied in prestigious labs. And science is revealing something powerful. Meditation might just be one of the most effective tools we have against the mental health epidemic. For centuries, Eastern gurus, yogis, and monks preached the value of sitting still and turning inward. In India, sages taught dhyana. In Tibet, monks practiced samatha and vipassana. In China, Taoists meditated for balance. These practices, rooted in discipline and spirituality, were seen by the West as unscientific or even superstitious. But today, Western science is catching up. Researchers from Harvard, Stanford, and MIT are now validating what these ancient cultures knew. Meditation changes the brain, boosts emotional resilience, and enhances well-being. In this convergence of tradition and technology, a profound truth is emerging: peace is trainable. Neuroscientific studies using MRI and fMRI scanning show stunning results. Dr. Sarah Lazar of Harvard University found that consistent mindfulness meditation can thicken the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for attention, decision-making, and emotional regulation. At the same time, the amygdala, the brain's fear center, actually shrinks. This biological evidence proves that even just 8 weeks of meditation can change the structure of the brain. It's no longer a matter of faith, it's now biology. Meditation doesn't just help you feel better, it literally helps you become better, calmer, more focused, and more emotionally stable. Meditation is no longer confined to the ashrams of India or mountaintops of Nepal. It's being practiced in boardrooms, classrooms, and war zones. Executives at Google, Apple, and Nike now schedule regular mindfulness sessions. In US military programs, even Navy SEALs use breathing techniques and meditation to sharpen their focus and reduce PTSD symptoms. A study from the University of Wisconsin showed that veterans practicing mindfulness experienced a 73% reduction in intrusive memories and stress responses. The lesson: you don't need to be a monk to benefit from meditation. You just need to begin. Meditation doesn't just impact your mind, it changes your body at the cellular level. Researchers at the University of California found that meditators have longer telomeres, the protective caps on DNA strands, which are linked to longevity. Meditation also decreases cortisol, the stress hormone, which reduces inflammation and improves immune response. Regular meditation has been linked to lower blood pressure, improved heart health, and deeper sleep. What this means is profound. With consistent practice, meditation not only eases your mind but also heals your body. It is, in every sense, a prescription without side effects. Despite the growing mountain of evidence, many people still hesitate. They say, "I don't have time," or "I can't sit still," or "my mind is too busy." But here's the truth. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind. It's about becoming aware of it. It's not about perfection, silence, or hours of chanting. In fact, studies show that even 10 minutes a day of focused breathing can yield measurable improvements in mood and attention span. Apps like Calm, Headspace, and Insight Timer have made meditation as easy as opening your phone. You don't need a guru. You don't need incense. You just need to start. What's remarkable is how closely scientific findings mirror ancient spiritual teachings. The Buddhist concept of non-attachment aligns with psychological theories of letting go. Yogic breathwork, Pranayama, is now being studied for its ability to regulate the nervous system and improve emotional control. Mantra meditation shows synchronization in alpha and theta brainwaves, associated with relaxation and creativity. It seems that when you strip away the religious labels, what remains is a toolkit for mental clarity that the modern world desperately needs. This alignment between science and spirituality is no coincidence. It's confirmation. In a world obsessed with outer success, meditation invites us into an inner revolution. It asks us to pause, to breathe, and to observe what's happening inside. Not to escape the world, but to engage with it from a place of calm and clarity. As global stress rises, many are turning inward not out of luxury, but necessity. Meditation is becoming the new literacy of the mind, a skill just as essential as reading or writing. And the beauty is it's universal. Across every culture and creed, the message is the same. Within you lies the peace you seek. From teenagers battling social anxiety to elderly individuals dealing with chronic pain, meditation is proving to be a multi-generational tool. In classrooms, children are learning mindfulness instead of detention. In hospitals, doctors are prescribing breathing exercises alongside medication. Even prisons are now running mindfulness programs, with reports of lower aggression and improved behavior. Meditation is not a fad. It's a shift, a movement, a reawakening. It doesn't promise to fix every problem, but it gives us the strength to face them without losing ourselves in the storm. The science is clear, the benefits are proven, and the time is now. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment or perfect mindset. You just have to begin. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, exhale slowly. That moment of silence, that's where transformation begins. So give yourself 5 minutes a day. Build the habit, protect your peace, and watch how your life begins to change from the inside out. Because the most powerful journey you can take doesn't require a passport or a map. It just requires you to sit and listen.